Hello and welcome to my new YouTube channel welcome video, as in it's a new welcome video, not the YouTube channel. My last welcome video really sucked and I put it up a year and a half ago and never took it down. I don't know why, but it's there and I'm going to keep it there so we can all laugh about it together. But this is my new welcome video. You know, I'd like to put fireworks and theme music, blah, 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 like all the pros do, you know, cutaways to me laughing, ha ha ha. But I'm not going to do that, because I can't be bothered. I live off grid, for crying out loud. I can't edit. Anyway, so here we are. I've got 250 acre property, 251 acres actually, completely off grid in the middle of the southwest of Western Australia. All the power comes from solar and batteries. There's no grid connection at all. The water, again, no connection. It's all rainwater that we collect. Sewerage is all composting toilets and things like that. So you'll hopefully, if you're wanting to live off grid, then you should hopefully learn a little bit from the videos I slowly put up and all that sort of thing. I'll also be planting, I don't know, things that don't grow very well because I'm rebellious in what I plant and do things like coffee, which I should not be doing it. I'm not in Kenya. I'm in southwest of Western Australia. You know, I'll build sheds that blow down and things like that. So, you know, there'll be some entertainment along the way and you'll learn, and anything you want to ask, and maybe I'll make you a little video, but I'll reply, I promise. So subscribe if you want to live off grid. It's great fun. But yeah, welcome. Enjoy. Watch my other videos. Comment with nice things and I'll say hello. Have a good day. Goodbye.